All right, Jane, what are we drawing today?
Today we're going to draw a kawaii fox head.
A cute fox. Smash that like and subscribe. Let's get started. If you could tell, we got a new camera, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We hope you guys like the video. Let's get started. All right, Jane, first on our fox, let's draw the face. So we need to leave enough room for our ears. So let's do like middle of the page, everyone. Go to your middle of your page and do a dot.
Doing.
And take that dot up and around, leaving enough room for your ears.
That's a giant head.
Simple. Yeah, we're just doing the head, Breddies. Oh, she's doing a smaller one. I like it. Remember, to have fun drawing, you don't need to be good. You just need to have fun.
Is that good?
Anytime you want to try, that's awesome. Anytime you want to try something new, you don't have to be the best at it. You just got to give it a try. All right, now that's the top of our head. We're going to connect it. And foxes have like this bigger head and the bottom's not going to be as big. Watch this, Breddies. Just kind of go down a little and then around and then connect it back up like that.
I'm going to make it like a little fur sticking out.
Ooh, that's cute. I don't even know what shape this would be. Half circle, square looking thing.
There.
Cute. Now,
Whoa,
let's do our triangle eyes. Breddies, super simple. Two triangles, right? I like to round them a little bit, so watch my triangle.
You said eyes, not ears.
Oh, ears. Ears, silly.
I was like triangle.
So kind of go up to the side here, and we're just gonna go triangle with a little bit of a curve at the top.
You don't want pointy ears. You'd stab everyone if they went over you.
You know what? If you like pointy ears, do pointy ears.
Yeah, because if you have pointy ears, you can do things.
Let's see what you got, Jane.
I'm gonna do none.
Nice. Cute.
Cute.
Now,
Hey.
same thing on the other end. Perfect, Jane. Good job. So I'm gonna go up, around, and back down to the middle for my fox ears. All right. Next step is we're gonna go to where our bottom half is, and we're gonna do the mouth right in the middle. So I'm gonna go over to about the middle, up for a cute little nose, and just do a dot to get your nose in the right spot.
I'm not gonna do a dot, because then I might mess up and make it too high.
Okay, well, let's show the Breddies what we like to do. Go ahead, show me what you're gonna do for your nose. You want it in the bottom half.
So like you would go there to there.
Uh-huh. Yep.
Let's start right here. Boing.
Ooh, she's getting a step ahead. That is coming up, Breddies. So I want to just get your nose in the middle. I'll show you what we're gonna do, Breddies. You can do it Jane's way or you can do my way. I just wanted to get you a nose right in the middle. We are gonna do that next. So Jane,
So should I just do my nose?
you give us a nose.
I'm going to do it just.
Aw, she's going cute little round nose.
Last time, or when I was at the table,
Okay.
I made a little polar bear and its cheeks were so cute.
Oh, cool. Okay, so for us, we're gonna do that step that Jane did. We're gonna take this bottom and then we're gonna meet it at our nose. So let's just go to your corner here and go down. Your corner here and go down. And if I'm going too fast, Breddies, just double tap and it'll rewind 10 seconds. All right, and then simple. We're just connecting it to our corners here. So that's so easy. We just go, whee, and whee.
Wow.
Perfect.
Can I draw my mouth?
Yep. Oh yeah, Jane. We'll let Jane
you.
teach you the mouth. Super cute and easy. Go. Aww.
Since my name starts with a J, I just do two J's.
It's basically two J's. One regular J, one backwards J.
So my initial.
Cute. Let's do it, Breddies. Down and up. Down and up. All right, Breddies, we're almost done. Jane wants to do something.
So if you want to do this, you can make him.
Oh, she's doing a little smile. Super cute. Okay, I'll get creative since Jane got creative. I'm gonna do a cute little tongue hanging out. Whee! A cute tongue. Easy, upside down U shape. All right, here's where we get kind of creative. Jane likes to do a certain kind of eye. I like to do my kind of eyes. So I'm gonna do one eye winking. If you wanna do a winky eye, it's so easy. It's basically a sideways triangle. So go ahead and do that, Breddies. And on the other side, we'll do, I like big eyes. Ready? Here's my big eye. And he's a winking fox. All right, Jane, show us yours.
Well, I'm like the wink, so I think I'm gonna do that too.
Okay.
And I'm gonna do the big eye because I was gonna do that too.
Okay, we got 2 winky foxes.
Which makes one winky eye.
I like
one winky face.
All right.
Together.
And then, Breddies, finish your eyeball. And let's do the cute eyeballs where we do one big circle.
Whoa, that's enormous.
And then, well, now you're gonna have to do your second circle bigger. And then a little circle.
Or for me?
Or look at Jane, you can do it like that. And then, of course, color in the pupil. That's a funny word.
So chippy.
The pupil. All right, Breddies, last step for our fox. They have these thick black furry ears. So we're just gonna do these lines again, Breddies, but just inside like this. Up and down. And then up and down. And that is it, Breddies. A cute fox. I hope you had fun with us. We're gonna color this real quick. Foxes are Jane's favorite animal right now.
They are so
She's
cute.
got cute pet ones in the house that are stuffies. And she named them Foxy,
And
Roxy, and Soxy.
And sunset.
And Sunset. All right,
That's a nickname.
we're gonna color. Let's get coloring, everyone. Grab your crayons or your markers. Breddies, we are done with our cute fox that Jane wanted to do. So let's show them in 3, 2, 1. I hope you had so much fun drawing a fox. Go watch our Santa unicorn one. That one's pretty cool. She wants to show you sunset.
Here is sunset, nickname Roxy. And here is Foxy.
I hope you like Roxy and Foxy. All right, guys, if you haven't yet, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.